Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, can chickens eat anything? Now, if you are a backyard chicken keeper like me, or if you're just curious about what these feathery friends can munch on, you probably wondered before, can chickens eat anything? Is there any specific foods that chickens cannot eat or that will harm the chicken? So in today's video, I'm going to be answering this question on chicken diets. Now, spoiler alert, the answer isn't as simple as you may think. So stick around to learn the do's and don'ts of feeding your flock. Now, first things first, chickens are omnivores. That means that they eat both plant-based foods and animal-based proteins, from veggies to grains to bugs. Chickens are very much flexible eaters. But hold up, just because they can eat a lot of things doesn't mean that they should eat everything. Feeding the wrong food can harm their health and even their egg production, and I've learned it the hard way. What are the best foods for chickens? Now let's start with the good stuff. Chickens thrive on a balanced diet. Today we're going to talk about chicken approved foods to keep your flock happy and healthy, starting with commercial feed. And this should be the main diet because it's packed with all the nutrients that chickens need. Next up, we've got veggies and fruit, and this is their favorite. So think of anything to do with veggie scraps. Think of leafy greens, carrots, zucchini, apples, of course without seeds, and berries. Now, they can also have protein sources, which include bugs, worms, scrambled eggs, and even cooked fish. These are great treats for chicken. Lastly, grains and seeds like oats, barley, or sunflower seeds. These make excellent snacks for the chicken. Now let's talk about foods that are a big no-no for chickens. Some things can really upset their digestion and can even be toxic for them. So please avoid these list of foods at all costs. And I've got 5 list of food. Number 1 is chocolate and candy. These are super toxic for chicken. Next up is raw potato peels, especially green ones, because green potato peels contain solanine, which is poisonous to chicken. We've also got avocado on the list, which includes the skin and the pit. These are super toxic because of the compound called persin. Number 4 on the list is onions and garlic. Now, these can taint the taste of their eggs and also upset their stomach. And number 5 is moldy or rotten food. Now, chickens are not compost bins. Please bear that in mind. Always give them fresh scraps. Did you know that chickens are natural foragers? They love scratching the ground to find bugs, seeds, and tiny plants. This behavior really helps to keep them active and reduces their boredom. Plus, free ranging helps to get them additional nutrients that commercial feed might lack. But please remember to supervise their free range time. This will help to avoid them eating something dangerous like toxic plants. In the next video, we're going to talk about the top toxic plants you should keep an eye out for when it comes to chickens. So how can you feed chickens safely? Now, feeding chickens safely is all about moderation and preparation. So please keep these 3 points in mind. Always, number 1, chop food into small bits. This helps to prevent choking. Number 2, provide grit or crushed oyster shells to help them digest their food. If you don't have oyster shells, you can use their own eggshells. Just make sure to crush them. And also number 3, lastly, to keep their water always fresh and clean. Hydration is the key to their health. And if you're introducing a new food, try giving them a small amount first to see how they react. So the question is, can chickens eat anything? Not really. While they have adventurous appetites, it is our job to make sure that they eat the right things. A healthy, happy chicken means fresh, delicious eggs and thriving backyard flock. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell for more tips on raising chickens. If you have any questions on your own chickens or your own feeding tips, drop them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care and have a great day.